Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, and I know I did say 2 weeks ago that it was going to be my last post for the year, but this arrived, and I'm just so excited to unbox this. So, come on and let's unbox together. So this package came from the US. It was shipped to me by Create Along, and these are going to be the materials that I'm going to use to make tutorials for the year of 2022. Okay, so let's unbox this. I actually already forgot what these contained, but oh my, look at the packaging, is so cute. Even through this, I can already see all the materials are packed so well and in such cute packaging too. All right, so this came in a sealed bag, and I'm guessing that these might be some stencils. Oh, wow. So, I have my reusable silk screens here. Wow, they are looking really well. I'm a sucker for like anything that's colored like in a turquoise color, so this is really very interesting for me to see. And it really is a good quality screen. Actually didn't expect it to be looking like this, that it looks like a mesh. And I'm very excited to work with these, and it came in this hard packaging, which is good because you obviously don't want to have any creases in these. And then I also got these. This is the logo of createalong.com. And if I'm not mistaken, these are the foils that I ordered. I have to be very careful because I know that it does stick. Oh my. Oh, so pretty. So excited to use these foils. Okay, so these two, I'll just put them right here. And now let's go on to the cutters. I have a few punchers and cutters here. So these are the different floral shape cutters. If you've been watching my videos, you know how I love using floral cutters and floral molds to make my slabs. So I think I'm going to have a lot of fun using these. So these are punchers because you can actually, push the design out. There. Very nice. And these are their cutters. And I can definitely tell that these are very well made cutters because you can see here that the edges are very thin. And let me show you a sample of a cutter that will not cut as neatly as this. Because these are so sharp and these are so finely made that this will really make a good cut on your slab. So I want to show you an example of one that is also made from a 3D printer, but this one is thicker here where you're supposed to make the cut. So I have used this a couple of times, and it's okay, but I do a lot of sanding because it does give me a rather blunt edge on my cuts. So this one doesn't save me on time, but looking and comparing at the quality of these cutters, I think that I will definitely have cleaner cuts. I know that they're both made with a 3D printer, but you know, I can definitely say that the edge on this one is sharper. Okay, so I got these geometric shapes with the round edges. I really love their packaging, by the way. It's so cute. So these are rounded cutters. And I got a lot of cutters, guys. So I'm very, very excited to find out what I can do with these. And I got these with a hole in it. With the bigger ones, I'm thinking of making wall hangings, wall decorations. So yeah, for example, for these things, I'm thinking either like a pendant or other wall hangings. Then of course these will become earrings. And they're also, well, they're called an Egyptian collar. It probably altogether they can make an Egyptian shaped necklace, but I was very interested in like all the possible designs that I can make with this, even with earrings. And these big ones are so interesting also. I can imagine these as hangings and also very interesting shaped earrings. So I'm very excited to work with all these different shaped cutters. These are not, by the way, available in my country, so I'm just so excited to have all of these materials with me. And finally, this one I remember ordering. I really want to try out their mica miracle metals. I wanna compare it with what I'm using right now, which is just my old recycled eye makeup. So I wanna see how different it is. I'm pretty sure that it'll be shinier because right now I'm already just looking at it from the packaging and it looks very, very shiny. So let me try to see if I can open this. A glimpse of the powder that's inside. Yep, it's very fine and very, very shiny. So I am very excited to be on the Create Along team for 2022, and I hope that you will watch and also read the tutorials that I plan to make with all of these materials. And I hope that you found this video interesting because I really had a fun time unboxing all of these things. And I'm so excited to work with the Create Along team to produce tutorials for you guys. So watch out for that. I hope that you do consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. I have a ton of ideas to share with you guys for 2022, and I'm very, very inspired with all the wonderful comments that you leave here on this channel. Thanks again for watching. Happy New Year and have a crafty weekend. Bye!